So, Hugh Hefner, his personal belongings got sold. And guess how much his typewriter gone for? 162,500 just for the typewriter. An outdated technology. New photos of Marilyn Monroe, all for 31,000. That's a lot of money. Wow, his trademark smoking jackets, 22,000. I can't believe this shit. Like, who would actually buy a typewriter for that much? Like, I know he's the founder of Playboy and shit like that, but for real, I am not gonna buy that for 162,000. I don't even see 162,000 ever in my life. That's a shit ton of money. Who bought that? I'm curious on who bought this typewriter. Is what I'm really curious about. Does this freaking article says who bought it? I don't think it did. It's a portable typewriter to first issue of the magazine, 1953, bought on top. Wow, that's just outrageous. That's insane, actually. Oh, somebody has deep pockets to actually buy a typewriter for 162,000. But anyways.